Nice weather as we head through the rest of today. Temperatures are going to be a little cooler than what we got used to this week, but just back to what's normal for this time of year. It is going to be chilly tomorrow, and that's a trend that's going to continue throughout most of next week. A few showers possible tomorrow. They're going to be more mist than hit, but be flexible with any outdoor plans just in case. I think the windy conditions are going to be a bigger factor for any outdoor plans. Cool temperatures do stick around next week. It'll be cold overnight with inland temperatures dropping down or even below freezing. Let's take a look at Futurecast, and today, once the fog dissipates, just a mix of clouds and sunshine. Looks like a nice day overall. The storm system dropping down from the north is on a path that doesn't allow it to access a whole lot of moisture from farther to the south. That means we're looking at meager rain chances as we go through Sunday. Hit or miss shower activity. I can't rule it out in any particular spot, but I can't guarantee it in any particular spot either. It's just one of those types of weather patterns. If the showers do arrive in your neighborhood, they're not going to last very long. They're not going to amount to very much, less than 1/10 of an inch of total rainfall, and it completely quiets down Sunday night. We should see plenty of sunshine as we start the week on Monday, but temperatures are going to continue to run about 5 to 7 degrees below average. There's a winter weather advisory in the High Sierra this weekend above 4,000 feet in elevation. They're going to pick up about 3 to 6 inches of snow, so travel conditions are likely to be slow, but they're not going to be impossible if you're going to be heading up the way. But keep both hands on the wheel. Wind gusts are going to be up to around 35 miles an hour. Our rain chances are going to remain, again, low for Sunday into Sunday night in the 20 to 30% range. Even that might be rounding up a little bit. A better chance is going to head our way late next week. That is still fuzzy in the long-range data, so it could still go either way. It's around a 40 to 50% chance right now, but that is far from a 100% chance. Eventually, we'd like to see some additional shower chances to kind of eat away at the continuing drought conditions. We'll see if that happens. The Climate Prediction Center is optimistic about wetter than normal conditions as we head to the 8 to 14-day range. It takes us through February 10th, but it's kind of a weak signal towards those wetter than normal conditions. We'll see how that plays out as we head into the new month. Temperatures later on today winding up within a few degrees on either side of what's normal for this time of year. Average highs are all around 60 and will roughly be in the upper 50s to around 60. The exception along the coast, only mid-50s there, but upper 50s down the peninsula and around the south end of the bay. Low 60s in the Santa Clara Valley. You'll be the warm spots this afternoon. A mix of upper 50s and low 60s for highs inland in the East Bay. Temperatures around the bay, a little cooler, but mid to upper 50s isn't bad for late January. Mostly upper 50s for the North Bay with some of the warmest spots reaching up to around 60 degrees near Windsor and St. Helena. Once the chilly air arrives on Sunday, it sticks around for a few days. Monday and Tuesday, highs only in the low to mid 50s, and then a very slow return to closer to average temperatures by the end of next week. We do have that rain chance in the forecast from late Thursday, but mainly Thursday night into Friday. Again, it's not set in stone, but it's the next decent rain chance that we're looking at, so we'll keep you updated as we head through next week.